Yo, what's going on guys? Rhys here from Stoic Pool, and in this video, this is part 1, 2, 3, 4 of our NFT special. And in this video, we're going to be basically picking the ones that we're going to use, and then we're going to be uploading them to poolperks. Poolperks.io, I can't believe I've forgotten it. I've literally just finished doing the Gymshark live stream, so that's why it's so dark now, because it's like night time, and I've completely forgotten what all the things that we were doing for this. So apologies for that. Right, so I basically exported everything in Aseprite. Now, if you export from Aseprite, if you do it this way around, when you export from Aseprite, size up. Yeah, because the first one I sized at regular 100%, and it was tiny, almost done myself a mischief there. I don't know if you noticed. Anyway, it was tiny, so I had to re-export everything at 1000%. Like, I'll boost it right up there. So now I have a bunch. I've exported all the interesting looking colors. I'll start recording this. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at what we got. We'll go to, it's in my docs, it's in Aseprite, it's in e-ported because can't type, so e-ported, and look, here we go. So these are my NFTs. My NFTs are what I made. So we'll go view, so you guys can actually see what's going on here. We're gonna go extra large. Okay, so these are the ones, and I've kind of named them based on the color schemes that they were. So whatever the palette was, and I've got my 100th block. I've got the original. Where's the original? Gold here. So this is the original, and this is full size. Now this is a 4K screen, so it's big. But you can see here, if I zoom in, it kind of holds its shape. It holds its color. Like it doesn't start like doing weird blurry things unless I go like right in here, and then you can see it starts to like fragment a little bit. That's good. The first one that I downloaded, I've overwritten it now. It was about, how much can I zoom out? That's it. Okay, so it was literally tiny compared to this. You can't see it. It's so small. It's like boop on the screen like that. Anyway, cool. So here we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just select them and it tells you. We've got 17, so I don't need 17. So what am I going to get rid of? I quite like that. I don't necessarily need stone. You know what? I don't need 2 green ones. So I'm going green PR and green. These are the same. And that's because this had a slightly different preference. So this green one has a slightly different preference. So I'm just going to delete that because none of the other ones have that setting. So I'm just going to delete that. So now we've got 16. Delete. Yes. How did I not figure that out? Okay. So now we kind of want to arrange them in color. See if I can compress it enough to kind of get that ish. No. Oh, well that's not bad. Okay, so I got one all blue one. I got one that's retro green. I got one that's block green. Okay, then I've got cherry wood, which I quite like. I quite like that color. I love the coral pink. That's like my favorite thing. Then I've got a kind of paley beigey pink, this Maurice one with like some grays in it, which I really like. This fluorescent one, like I really like these colors, but it's just unnecessary, isn't it? So wait, hang on a minute. We've got block blue. We got block pink. So these are just the plain colors. That's retro. That's block rose. We got stone, and we've got green. Okay, so guys, I think we've come up with a system. I'm gonna get rid of these, okay, because now we see what it is. I'm just gonna put it in details, okay, because then we can actually have a look at we can look at what these are in names. So blue, plain blue. We got gold. Gold is like the original. Yeah, the gold one is the design, the initial design. So I'm gonna put that as. I'm going to put right at the beginning because we need to find a way of categorizing these basically. So I'm going to put N at the end. So green N. Oh, selected the thing. We got rose. We got stone. We got pink. We've got green. We've got gold. I'm going to get rid of that N, guys. That N was a terrible idea. I can't believe you let me do that. Like, what's wrong with you? Right. So that coral's got like multiple colors. Okay, so that's going to be a rarer one. Okay, so basically the way I've organized these is the ones that I've called like retro green. I've got here. I'm going to pull these back up and things so we can actually have a look at them, because what am I thinking? So, oh, this is great. Why is it giving me funny shapes now? There we go. Okay. Oh my god. Windows. Okay, so we basically we got special specific schemes that have names. So we've got SDK here. We've got we've got Bumblebee. We've got Cherrywood. We've got Coral Pink. We've got Rhys. We've got Optical. We've got Sunset. Okay, so these ones, I'm going to folderize them because just looking at them like this doesn't organize them. So these are going to be normal. So like common. So we've got common. Then we're going to go for rare, and then we're going to go for special. Okay, so this is how we're going to organize them. Then we're going to go for the plain colors. We're just going to go in common. So blue. Bumblebee is a special because that's like... Wait, is that a special? Yeah, because that's an actual thing, like a name. Then Cherrywood. Coral Pink, they're special. Then we got gold, that's common. Then we got green, that's common. Then we got Rhys, that's special. Then we got optical, that's special. Then we got pink, that's common. Then we got retro green, so the retro ones are going there. We're going to change that rare to retro because it makes more sense. Look, rose is a common. SDK is there. Stone is common. Sunset is put it in the wrong one. So we're going to come out. We're going to go boink, 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 boink. Cut. Where's cut? I just need to cut it. There it is. Oh my god. Special. So we'll just paste that in here. Cool. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? Counted. So 7 special ones. Rare. We got 3 ones, or retro. I'm going to change that to retro. And then we've got the common ones. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ugh, that does not work, does it? That does not work at all. Okay, so what we're going to do? We kind of need a red one. We kind of need a purple one. And we've got a blue. We've got a gold. Okay, so we need a red and a purple. But we got pink. We got rose there, and we got pink. So maybe we just need... No, we don't. We don't. What am I talking about? So the retro ones, these are going to be the super rare ones. Then we've got the special ones. These are going to be the like normal rare ones. And then we got common, and these are going to be like the normal ones. So the most likely is the common. So we're going to say, we're going to call common. We're going to put that at 50%. Yeah, then we're going to go retro. Retro ones. We want. Why would it work, right? We're going to say 30%, and then we're going to go special 20%, and then in special we're going to pick one. Which one are we going to pick, guys? That's going to be like the tip top, you know, like that's the one. It's going to be one of these. Now my preference, and I am biased, is going to be coral pink because I just love the color. I think it's a lovely color. We could go for optical. We could go for... this is tough. Like, how are you supposed to decide which one's going to come up more regularly than the other ones? I feel like sunset. I feel like it should be sunset. That's quite a nice one, look, because you got like bits of blue in there, you got bits of pink, you got yellow, and you got that edge. So it looks like that could be the premium one. Yeah, and then you compare that to the Bumblebee, and it's like similar, but it's more of an orangey color, like an orangey pink, and then we've got like more of a gray for the dark, you know. So maybe not that one. So maybe sunset's the one. Maybe this is the 1%. Yep, that's it. Decided. So this is going to be block is going to be 1%. And we've got 20% to dish out. So that leaves us with 6 others. Okay, so then that's going to be, just say 18%. And then this is going to be 2%. So that means each of these has a 3% chance of showing up. Yeah, advanced maths. So they'll have a 3% chance of showing up. Then the retro, this is going to be 30%. So they've got 10% each. And then common, these are 50 and there's 6 of them. Why can't it be easy? You know, like why can't it be easy? Okay. Oh my God. All right, so I tell you what, that's not going to work. It's not going to work. So let's not worry about it. We're going to go, by the way, guys, if you're looking for some nice retro color schemes, go to lowspec.com, right? And this is nothing to do with me, obviously, but this website, if we zoom in, so you can actually see what's going on better, this is like a palette list. So this has it's a great resource for palettes, and it's glitching out now because I zoom too much. It's a great resource for palettes for retro art, so like pre-made palettes that you can download and you can import into Aseprite, or you can save as like JPEGs or something that you can use for your thing, use for your pictures, you know, pretty little pictures. Anyway, so pool perks, into my admin, add perk. So I'm gonna do, okay, let's figure this out. Long name is Stoic Pool 100th block, and then we're gonna do the color, right? Stoic Pool 100th block, and this is gonna be Stoic 100, followed by a shorthand version of the color. And then the percentage is going to be the rarity of it. And I'm literally going to put that top one, that sunset one, as 1%. Okay, and then I'm just going to have an image file, and then I'm going to browse for that image file. So I'm actually going to smallerize this in just a sec. So this is going to be called sunset. This is going to be sun. S. Only alpha characters. Stoic. Stoic. Why is this difficult? It shouldn't be difficult. This is going to be sunset. Stoic 1. No, that's not going to work. All right, guys, I'm going to have to figure out like a formula for actually naming these things. And then I'm gonna have to import it properly, because I need to obviously do a little bit more planning to get this right. Yeah. So I've got a client in 10 minutes. I'm gonna go and do my client. I'm gonna have some dinner, and I'm gonna finish this just for you guys. All right. So I'm gonna pause it here, and then we're gonna pick it up in a sec. Oh, right, guys, back. We're back in action. Okay, so what I've decided to do, because I decided to actually plan this a little better this time, is I set up this fancy little spreadsheet. Oh, do that zoom. Laptop has trouble. View. Boink. I just want to zoom. Oh, 300's a little much. Let's do 200. Okay, cool. Now we can see what's going on. So what I've done, all right, because because I didn't plan this before, and I just kind of dive in as I normally do. So what I've done is I've kind of created this lovely little schedule, and in this schedule I've got space for all the things that I need to put in. Now there are rules. So short name has to be letters, only letters. I can't do anything else. Okay, so what we're gonna need to do for the short name, we're gonna have like a ticker. So it's gonna be Stoic, and then H, and then the thing. So I'm gonna write Stoic, and then H for 100, and then the color. And long name is gonna be Stoic Pool 100 block, and then the color. Okay, and luckily I've got all the colors here ready. And what was S decay? I've completely forgotten what S decay actually meant. Soft decay. So, E-ported. So this is soft decay. So I'm going to just copy this all the way down. And I'm going to copy this all the way down. And I've already built in rough percentages because I've got like I want that sunset to be like the premium, 1%. Okay, and then I want gold to actually be more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that at 15. And then I know I'm at 105, but that's because there's 5 other common ones. So I could put all of them at 9. And hopefully that should be 100, and it is. Cool. So that means everything now, gold, 15% chance of getting the gold one. The original. And then we're going to have blue, we're going to have green, pink, rose, and stone, all at 9%. Then all the retro ones, the retro green, retro purple, retro red, they're going to be 7%. And then all the special edition ones, all the interesting color schemes, they're all going to be 3%. Sunset at 1. Now I know this is crazy. I know there's loads. Yeah, but the reason I've done this is because I kind of went a little bit mad with color schemes. I couldn't decide on ones that were a good fit or like the best ones, and I wanted to give everyone a chance of having something unique. You know, like I'm not expecting 100 people to actually get these, and I don't want to have them all even because then it doesn't add any level of prestige to any of the more interesting color schemes. Kind of just wanted to spread it out and have as many options for people as possible, essentially. And that sunset, I just want to be there. Do you know what I mean? Because that's my favourite. That's my favourite. That is with an L. Get your head around that. So, Stoic 100th block blue. Stoic 100th block. Optical. I kind of just want to leave that there for fun. Stoic HB for blue. Stoic HG. Cool. Done. Alright, so now we've got all the correct information. I can actually do the thing. So, what a goose. So what we need is we need the files. So we've got the path. Actually we don't, because I can just browse for that, can't we? So, let's get rid of all this information. So sunset, okay, sunset's there. And this is going to be Stoic HSS, because that's that one. 50, only alpha, 55 characters. Why do they not allow numbers? Okay. 100. Hundredth does definitely look weird, doesn't it? So 100th block. Why has that happened? Okay, cool. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna go Control C. Smart. And then right. So percent. This sunset is 1%. Stoic SS. Stoic HSS. Cool. Image file. Browse. And then we're gonna go documents. And then we're gonna go Aseprite. And then we're gonna go e-ported. I still can't believe that. Sunset. Oh, open. Okay, so first one in the bag right there, and it's an image PNG. Okay. The moment of truth. Perk is now active. Oh my. Okay, and then we go, okay, cool, I didn't need that. Okay, so we're gonna go soft decay SD %3 browse, and we're here, and where soft decay is there, open, image PNG, 3%, blah 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 blah, boom. Okay, so now we've got 2 perks. Okay, what I'm going to do quickly, I'm going to mark these down because otherwise I'm going to forget which one I'm at. So we're just going to go here, we're going to blink it green quickly. Okay, next, soft decay. Now we've got optical. Okay, so you get the idea. I'm basically going to upload all of these in order, or not in order, but just I'm going to upload them in reverse order because that's how it happens to be with the files, and I'll catch up with you in just a second. Perk is now active. Perfect. Right, so that is all of them uploaded to poolperks.io. So if I close that now, Stoic Pool has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different NFTs available that you can get. You can get one of these for celebration of the 100th block. They're now uploaded onto Pool Perks. I don't think we have anything else to do. You know, I already went through the process of verifying the pool. Sorry, I haven't done a whole video on that because you have to kind of show some very private information of the pool, and so I didn't really want to display that, but it's very simple once you do it right. Like I had to message Andrew because I'd messed it up. That's a whole other thing. Things that go wrong are always the simplest, silliest things. Honestly, it's just a regular occurrence in the Stoic Pool corner. Not really, it's just me. Yeah, so that's it. So now what can happen is anyone can go to Pool Perks and input their staking address, like their address, to prove that they're delegating to Stoic, and then they can get one of these rewards. It'll be randomly distributed. I think you pay 3 ADA or something like that for whichever one. Okay, this is just a special edition one that I'm doing. I'm gonna basically leave this up for a week, and it's gonna be Stoic's birthday as well. So after that, I'm going to put a Stoic 1-year anniversary one, but I'm going to do a little bit of animation with that. It's going to be just a one thing. There's not going to be multiple different flavors. That's just going to be a one thing for everybody. All right, guys. Yeah. So this I basically walked you through the entire process now of making an NFT, the tools that we've used for doing it, setting up, like designing the NFT, doing different variations, exporting and uploading to Pool Perks, and now it is released into the public. So if you're staking Stoic Pool, you can go and join that. You go and sign up and get your hands on one. Let me know which ones you got. Just like tag me in a tweet or something like that, or pop one in the comment below. These will get distributed straight to your address, so it's not like you have to wait for very long. We'll see how many have been minted over here somewhere. I hope someone gets the sunset. I hope someone gets the sunset like that. That'd be super cool. And also my other favorite one, in case you're wondering, is the coral pink. I do like the others, but those two are my favorite. Right, anyway, guys, that is it for this video. I hope this has helped you understand how kind of NFTs work. If you're interested in doing some NFTs, maybe it's giving you an idea how to do pixel art NFTs using Aseprite. Again, I'll just have a link to everything below. If you like what you've seen, as always, give us a like, subscribe, leave any questions or comments, etc., etc. If you're not already, delegate to Stoic and get your hands on some tasty treats. This is quite fun actually putting this together. I might, once I start getting on a bit of a roll with this, I might start doing some more interesting ones, like some maybe like pixel animations or something like that. It'd be kind of fun, just for a bit of a laugh, really. But yeah, so that's potentially on the horizon. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Otherwise, guys, I'll catch up with you in the next one. Here's to 200 blocks. See you then.